If you're an aspiring content creator or influencer looking for some online courses to take, then this is the video for you. Now, I will say, if this is the very first video that you have ever seen from me, do not watch this video. Avert your eyes. Stand back, go away. No, but really, if this is the very first time you've ever watched any of my videos, please watch something else, I beg of you. Hi, I'm Millie. I post once a week here on my channel, which means I upload 52 videos a year. 51 of those videos, free, educational, jam-packed amazingness, so go check out the channel. And then once a year, I make a video like this. This video is more so for people who have watched maybe all of my videos. I don't know, you've been around for some time, for a few months. You've watched, you've binged, you've taken dedicated notes, and you just have binged the content before. This is more so who that video is for, because this video, the one video a year that I make like this, I talk about my courses that I have. So yes, this video is sponsored by me. I'm just very excited about everything that I've built and created and all the courses that I have available for content creators. So we're gonna jump to the computer so I can tell you about the newest course that I am launching this week. And I'm just very excited about it. It's really cool, actually. It's literally the only course that you would ever need to purchase as a content creator ever. Whether you want to grow on Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, the only thing that you need, and I'm so excited. So let's just jump right in and I'm gonna show you what it is. May I introduce you all to the BSP model. What is the BSP model? I started working on the BSP model last year because I found that with my Instagram course, The Modern Influencer, there is still so much left unsaid. For creators, for influencers, there's that moment where you start to grow on Instagram and you're ready to start a YouTube channel, or you start to grow on Instagram and you're like, okay, well, I also need to figure out now how to build this income stream as an affiliate marketer. So I just felt like there needed to be one place for content creators or influencers to have everything that they needed. So BSP model is a bundle of multiple courses. It's multiple courses laid out in a 3-part proven framework that teaches content creators how to build an unforgettable brand, scale organically on social media, and profit off their passions of content creation. I can confidently say 100% without a shadow of a doubt that there is nothing else like this out there, and I think that's why I get so amped and so excited talking about it, because when my funnels strategist, when my funnels gal, she sent me like a screen recording of what BSP model looked like from a student's perspective in their dashboard, I almost cried because I was like, this is so freaking cool. I wish I had access to this when I was just getting started. So all these courses, I structured them into 3 parts, which is build, scale, and profit. Each step of the framework has its own bundle of courses that you take in order. So when you log in and you're a student and you log into your dashboard, you see a course that says like start here. So you start there and then you'll go through build. Right? You'll learn branding, personal branding, and you'll also learn how to set up your email. I think I'll jump to the computer and show you what it looks like. So when you log into your dashboard, it's gonna look a little bit different. I showed you a screen recording earlier in the video of what it would look like as a student, but right now these are the courses that are inside of the BSP model. Ignoring these last 3, these are other courses that I sell. All these courses are placed in order. So if you just follow the order of the framework, you will be fine. You will see great success when growing, whether it's on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Let me dive in and show you some of the courses that we have. That I have. So BSP model, this is where you start. This is the overview of the course. It's going to teach you how to use Thinkific, how to get the most out of the Slack community, because you do get access to Slack where you can get coaching from me and my team throughout the week. It'll also give you growth trackers and also the recommended course schedule, so you could just follow the schedule, check videos off because it's already laid in order for you to take them. The first framework that you'll dive into is the build section of the course bundle. So build is everything that's yellow. These are 2 courses that you could take. One is teaching you how to define your brand and build a personal brand, and the other one is growing an email list, which is so important. You do not want to skip that. So many people skip it. So yes, here we have defining your branding. There's videos that teach you how to pick a niche, pick content pillars, which platform should you start on? Should you pursue Instagram, YouTube, TikTok? Which one's gonna be the best fit for you? And then we also have the email list course. So this is going to teach you how to set up your email list, how to create a freebie, set up the tech, the easiest ways to automate your email list. So step by step, that course is the email list course. Once you have the build section done, then you could move on to scale. Scale is the like social media section of the course, depending on what platform that you want to grow on. So right now, our finished course is the Instagram course. So this course, it's everything that you need to know so that you can grow on Instagram, build a community on Instagram. We have a section on Reels and how to make viral Reels. So there's that course. We also have a YouTube course, which is currently being updated. So when you log in, because I'm filming this video kind of ahead of time, when you log in, your YouTube course might be a little bit different, but it's going to be a little bit more structured. But these are the videos that we have so far, which already is really structured. This course will help you build leverage on YouTube, learn how to optimize your videos, and grow and monetize all the things. I also have a few audit examples here of when I audited other people's YouTube channels, so you could see what I look for and what tweaks that you could make. Now, the one course that we do not have yet is the TikTok course. This is still in beta testing. If you do choose to join the BSP model, you will get access to the TikTok course when it is live. We already announced to all the students that are in BSP that the TikTok course will be available by the end of this year. We did put a pause on it for a little bit because of politics and still don't really know 100% if it's going to be banned, but I will still be building that out. And my goal is to have the TikTok course by fall of 2024. And if not fall, then definitely by the end of this year. You won't have to do anything. It'll automatically show up in your dashboard. So you'll forever get like future updates or anything that's added to the BSP model. Like I said, this is our newest edition, so you can't really see any of the content yet because we're literally exporting these videos this week and uploading them to Thinkific. Obviously this week is different for you. By the time you get access, all these videos will be here, but this is what you can expect for the advanced video creation. This is where we're talking about like gear, lighting, audio, how to pick a camera that's best fit for you. So really how to up level your content creation when you're ready to transition from like phone creation to camera setup. Those are all of the courses that are inside of the scale portion. And then we get to some fun stuff, which is money making, of course. All of the green courses are courses that help you make money as a content creator or influencer. So this is setting up your income streams. This is going to go over all of the basic monetization options for every platform: Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. As you can see, this one's coming end of 2024. And we also teach how to get started with affiliate marketing, create and sell digital products, selling an online course, and setting up your link in bio to profit off your link in bio. One of my favorite, I keep saying my favorite, but brand collaborations. I'm such a sucker for teaching brand collabs. I really love this course. This one teaches you how to land brand deals, how to pitch, how to negotiate, how to read through contracts, how to price yourself for Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, negotiating with a brand, staying organized when you're doing collaborations. So everything brand collabs is in that course. We also have some content in the money management side of things. This one is one that we want to be building out through the end of this year and maybe next year. As of right now, we have just a few lessons here and we plan to add more. So we have the legal side of being a content creator, money management. This is a conversation about organizing your income, expenses, and taxes, and then the secret to going full time. And then another new course that I actually just added this year as well is the UGC course. I feel like UGC is super popular right now and a lot of creators are wanting to make money without needing to have thousands of followers first, right? If you can have 0 followers and be making money with UGC. So I did want to create a UGC course. This is teaching you how to get started, the different types of UGC videos that exist that you could create for a brand, how to set up your UGC portfolio, where to find paid UGC jobs, pitching, how to set your rates, all the things. So we have an entire UGC course. The final course, which like I don't really refer to like the Start Here or the podcast one as a course. The colored Build, Scale, Profit ones are courses in my head, but in the Thinkific program or in the Thinkific login, this will show up as like a course for you. So the other thing that we have is a podcast. So I do set up interviews with different industry leaders and we have really fun conversations like how to get started on YouTube, where I got to talk with John Cannell from Think Media, also talking about niching down with Jade Beeson, and we just started season 3, so I got to hop on a call with my Pinterest strategist, my Pinterest gal. Our Pinterest is popping off right now. Love this for us. So I did get on a call with her, and we just added this interview. It's a full interview about Pinterest because we're having a lot of students ask about it, so thought I would add that interview there. As you can see, BSP model is really cool. It's really cool. I am so stoked to be able to offer this to people. Like I said before, like this is exactly what I wish I had access to when I started. Plus, for every student who joins BSP model, we do have a Slack community as well. Your access to the Slack community will vary based off of the payment plan that you choose if you do sign up for BSP model. So whether you choose to pay in full, a 6-month payment plan, or a 12-month payment plan, all those different options are going to give you different Slack access. I cannot remember off the top of my head the different access opt-in points because I'm already thinking a bajillion things about launch. So check the sales page or check the landing page that I'll link down below so you could read more about the different access there. I think one of the biggest reasons I get so hyped about the BSP model is not just because it's the only thing out there to exist, but being in the Slack community and actually talking and hanging out with students and helping people see real tangible results and being part of that process has just been like, just so incredibly cool. I've launched the BSP model 2 times before where we like open doors for a week and then we close doors. So we've had students come in and test the program, and it has all been like really, really great feedback, which is just really encouraging, not just for me as an educator, but to see all the students interact with each other and get to network and meet each other and encourage each other. And I don't know, it just feels so different for some reason. And I just feel extremely grateful that I get to be a part of so many people's journeys in a really unique way. The BSP model is specifically for creators or influencers who want to be the face of their personal brand. It's not for businesses who are selling like physical products and you're trying to like get more Etsy sales or something. Like, it's more so for creators, people who you're the face of your social media. Maybe you are a coach or an educator, or you simply just want to like do day in the life vlogs on TikTok, but you need help with the content creation. You want to be the face of your social media and you want to monetize off of that as well. I've had a lot of people ask if the BSP model is a good fit for them. So some people that I've said, hey, this is not a good fit for is like realtors. If you're trying to grow your realtor profile and you're trying to sell more houses, this wouldn't be a good fit. If you have a pet account where your pet is the face of the social media handle, I don't think pet accounts work well with this strategy. Even some faceless profiles, so if you yourself, you're not open to getting on camera and showing your face, I also wouldn't recommend joining the BSP model because a lot of the lessons are formatted and structured and teaching people how to get on camera and build confidence on camera and show their face. This week, which is launch week, everybody gets $200 off of what the original price would be, which means instead of paying $15.97, you can join the BSP model and the bundle of courses at $13.97, which I did want to make sure people had different payment plan options. So we do also have a 6-month payment plan and a 12-month payment plan. For the 6-month payment plan, you can join today at $237, so you'll be doing 6 payments of $237. Or the 12-month payment plan, you can join at $127, and every month for the next 12 months, it would be $127. If you're unsure if the course bundle is a good fit for you, we do have a free BSP sample platter, so I'll be sure to link that down below. Basically, it's like a sample platter of lessons. So you can create an account in Thinkific, you'll get a sample course, and it's basically one video from each of the courses showing you what the teaching style is like, the different types of lessons that will be inside BSP model, and it gives you just like a little bit of a taste to see if this would even be a good fit for you. If you have any other questions, you can absolutely email my team because we want to make sure it really is a good fit for you before you join. You can email them at support@itsmodernmillie.com. If you've made it this far, I want to thank you for giving me the space and the time to like talk about my own products on my YouTube channel. For some reason, it feels like taboo for me to be like,
hey, here's my courses.
But I only do videos like this once a year, so just want to thank all of you for continuing to support me, even if it's just by watching videos and pressing the thumbs up button. Any free support is support, and I just want to thank each and every one of you for even watching to this far. All right, next week we will return with our regular scheduled program, and I'll see you then. Thanks so much for watching. Follow your joy. Bye.